Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview community features. All right, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to go ahead and give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. Now the first step will be to select the community options. So just go ahead and select the community options from the menu, and this is going to take you to the community page where you can interact with other users. Step 2 will be to join a chat room. So join a chat room to discuss trading ideas and strategies with other users. You can join public chat rooms, or you could decide to create your own private chat rooms. Step 3 will be to share your ideas. So go ahead and share your ideas and insights with other users, and you can share charts, indicators, and other analysis to help others to make informed decisions. The fourth step is going to be to learn from others. So you want to try to learn from others by reading and participating in discussions. You can learn new trading strategies and techniques from these experienced traders. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview community features. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one.